Hello friends, welcome back to Knowledge Station.
Have you ever wondered how we breathe? How the air we inhale magically transforms within our bodies to keep us alive? Welcome to the fascinating world of the human respiratory system, a marvel of nature that works tirelessly, day in and day out, without any conscious input from us. Scene script: picture a tree. Now think of your respiratory system as this tree, only upside down. The trunk represents your windpipe or trachea, which branches out into two main bronchi, just like the branches of a tree, leading to your lungs. The leaves? Those would be the alveoli, tiny air sacs where the magic of gas exchange happens. Inhale. As you do, air travels down your windpipe, through the bronchi and into the lungs, finally reaching the alveoli. These tiny sacs, numbering in the hundreds of millions, are surrounded by even tinier blood vessels called capillaries. Here, oxygen in the air you breathed in passes into your blood, much like water seeping into the roots of a tree. At the same time, carbon dioxide, a waste product your body needs to get rid of, moves from the blood into the alveoli. Exhale. This carbon dioxide is expelled from your body, making room for fresh oxygen the next time you inhale. This process, known as gas exchange, is the fundamental role of your respiratory system. But the respiratory system doesn't work alone. It has a powerful ally in the circulatory system. Picture a relay race. The respiratory system is the runner waiting at the starting line, ready to pass the baton, which in this case is oxygen. The circulatory system is the next runner, ready to take the baton and carry it to the finish line. The cells in your body that need oxygen to survive. Now imagine this relay race happening millions of times every second, without you even being aware of it. That's your respiratory system at work. In summary, your respiratory system is like an upside-down tree with its roots in the air. It collects oxygen from the air you inhale and passes it into your blood. At the same time, it collects carbon dioxide, a waste product, from your blood and expels it when you exhale. It works hand in hand with your circulatory system to deliver oxygen to the cells in your body and remove waste products. So the next time you take a deep breath, spare a thought for the amazing machinery at work within you, tirelessly ensuring that every cell in your body gets the oxygen it needs to keep you alive and kicking. Breathe in, breathe out, and marvel at the wonder that is the human respiratory system.